Alright, you guys. Right now, my sister, she's doing nails, y'all. She's real good, too. So, hold on, wait. Let me show you what she's doing. Okay. You know, let me see. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, she's dancing to, you know, that. She's doing nails, too, you know. She's good at what she do. You know, that's Keys right there. She part of that Keys and Trinity Misfits show. You know. Oh, yeah. Yeah, but, no, we ain't getting canceled, honey. But, you know, right now, I'm recording her, doing her nails. Y'all see her finished product later. Hopefully, oh yeah, I'm about to try, see what I can do, you know. I'm Nakaya Hills, the manager, so, you know, I gotta do what I gotta do, you know. But, right now, we're just doing little